Full attention, standardish attention. Tamil standardish பாரதியார் பாடல்.
அறிவிலே தெளிவு நெஞ்சிலே உறுதி அறத்திலே அன்பினோர் வெள்ளம் பொறிகளின் மீது தனி அரசாணை பொருதலாம் எனது பேரருளே நெறியிலே நாட்டம் கர்மயோகத்தின் நினைவில நின்றுவார்
Good morning to all. Today, do you know who is the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu? Once again, repeat the question. Who is the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu? You know answer, come forward. Mr. A. Rajmohan, answer.
Good morning to all. Today's news headlines. Regional news. Physical education made compulsory in Tamil Nadu schools. International news. World Bank warns of possible rise in global food prices. Economic. India strengthens trade partnership for economic growth. Political. India bloc announces a 5-point coordination plan. Sports. Manav Sudhar shines with a 5-wicket haul on debut. Thank you. Have a peaceful day.
Today's details.
Good morning to all. I am Tamil Chandran. I am of class 5th A. This is my 10th birthday. Thank you. Today's my message is drink more water.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to your friends. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, yes. May God bless you, yes. May God bless you, your friends. Happy birthday to you.
Today, full attention, national anthem. Full standard is assembly is Thursday.